If you plan to reuse the cylinder head, do not use the gun to remove this bolt. It will snap these 10mm clean inside the threads. Ask me how I know. I've broken a lot of them. That's how I know. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we tore down our spare junkyard B20Z engine. I picked up this long block a couple of months ago from the 50% off sale, and I bought it just because of the sale and also just to have a backup engine, and it was fairly cheap, so why not, right? The day before picking up this B20 long block, I went and bought a LS short block. This right here is already torn down for the max pitting rod nip and piston combo. I may be building that short block tomorrow, just a rotating assembly, because I don't have all the pumps and everything, but I do have all the bearings, the rod, and the pistons itself. I decided to tear this engine down because when I was in a junkyard picking this engine, the pickup tube did have a piece of metal in it, and I didn't know where it came from. The funny thing is, all of the rod bearings and all of the main bearings look pretty freaking awesome. These are the main caps. The bearings look freaking awesome. I don't know where that piece of metal in the oil pickup tube came from, but after talking to the homie Nomis, he was like, if you're already there, you might as well just change everything. Originally, I wasn't going to do the piston ring because this engine was actually a subscriber's car, which didn't smoke whatsoever. He did do a few maintenance things to it, but I figured let's just pop the piston out and change the rings while we're at it, right? Short block is stripped, cylinder head is stripped. That's gonna go to the machine shop, but I do have a list now of everything that I'm gonna be changing. This isn't my first rodeo, so I kind of already know what I have to buy, but I wanna make sure I have a list so I can cross them off as I go. But this is everything that I'm gonna need to, well, not everything here I need to order, because a lot of this stuff I already have in those stack of boxes right there. But definitely bearings, oil pump, you know, piston rings, and all of the main stuff, head gasket. I definitely do got to buy all of that. All I wanted to do in this video was tear the short block down just so I can have the stuff ordered tonight, so that way I can have them all come in and have it all ready to go, and then we'll assemble it. There's nothing much more to this video. I am going to clean the garage a little bit. We are going to run out of daylight, so I got to rush to go to the storage to move everything from here there. So right now I'm going to find a home location for everything to go back into the garage. I am going to wrap up the video right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the B20 teardown, and if you guys did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you guys want to stick around for the max P and rod nip and piston combo in the LS short block, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.